Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. India's internet economy to touch $1 trillion by 2030. India's journey to a $1 trillion consumer internet economy has been a unique story of multiple internet sectors such as e-tailing, e-health, food tech, online mobility and quick commerce coming together to create a strong foundation for a consumption-led growth engine. The ongoing journey from digital first to digital forward was a result of multiple internet sectors having shown strong momentum post-COVID as per RedSeer. Investors are recognizing India's golden opportunity without a second thought. In 2021, more than $40 billion of funding and 42 new unicorns were born. This is primarily because the country's economy is becoming more skill-based and services-oriented, so more jobs are being created for skilled workers, which in turn is a major draw for investors. It has been fueled by a mix of burgeoning internet penetration rates, access to high-speed internet, and rising demand for online shopping and digital content consumption. India is a home to an extremely distinct heterogeneous population base with varying social needs. The report noted that applications prioritizing vernacularity of language, verticalized super apps, and an omni-channel approach are increasingly allowing the third cohort to join the digital mainstream. India's new digital revolution is further enabled by the growing tech adoption in the business-to-business space and an expanding and maturing internet consumer base. What is also noteworthy is that key internet economies, namely e-tail, e-health, food tech, online mobility, and bill pay and recharge, which had experienced a sharp downward spiral during COVID-19, re-emerged more stronger. Additionally, the rise of tech adoption in the B2B space is bolstering India's new digital revolution. The report expressed immense optimism about India's growth, stating that the SaaS market size, which stood at about $3.5 billion in FY21, is expected to touch $8 billion by FY26 with a CAGR of 18%. With over 70 tech IPOs in pipeline by 2025, the surge driven by digitization, government initiatives for startups, increasing local investors with high equity and private equity funding in tech companies, and the current hopeful tech landscape where tech firms are inching towards profit or are already profitable with a $150 to $200 million profit by India Internet in FY21, the research reveals. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. Only 2 lakh crore worth left to monetize, says DIPAM Secretary. Department of Investment and Public Asset Management Secretary Tuhin Kanta Pandey said that the centre is fast running out of equity to divest beyond 51% in the public sector units to shore up revenues via disinvestment processes in forthcoming budgets. He further added that the remaining value of Government of India's holdings in public sector enterprises above 51% is no more than Rs 1.5 lakh crores to Rs 2 lakh crores after the current round of disinvestments. The centre has already diluted over Rs 3.5 lakh crores worth of PSU stake in the last 6 years, he informed. Bharti Airtel MD expects mobile prices to rise again this year. Bharti Airtel Managing Director Gopal Vittal said that the company won't hesitate to take the lead in pushing through another round of tariff hikes in 2022 itself, as it looks to boost average revenue per user to Rs 200 in this calendar year and eventually to Rs 300 going forward. He clarified that the next price hike would only happen after the current wave of SIM consolidation triggered by the last round of tariff hikes in July and November 2021 eases. RajeevChandrasekhar doubts Raghuram Rajan as an expert in economics. Union Minister RajeevChandrasekhar criticized former Reserve Bank of India Governor Raghuram Rajan, saying that he did not consider the latter an expert on economics. The minister claimed that a maximum number of NPAs took place when Raghuram was the RBI governor. He further added that the meltdown of the country's financial structure and NPA crisis happened when he was in charge. Raghuram Rajan was the RBI governor between September 2013 and September 2016. CRED plans to raise $300 million at $6 billion valuation. A report claims that fintech startup CRED is eyeing to raise $300 million at an aggressive valuation of over $6 billion. The fresh funding is expected to be led by crossover funds from the Middle East and will also see the company's existing investors Tiger Global Management and Falcon Edge Capital doubling their bets. CRED started as an app for India's credit-worthy individuals to pay their credit card bills and earn points, further expanding its base into lending e-commerce payments, advertising for brands, and providing short-term loans through buy now, pay later options. Cloudflare acquires Vectrix. Cloudflare Incorporation, a security, performance and reliability company helping to build a better internet, has acquired Vectrix, a company that provides businesses one-click visibility and control across all of their SaaS applications. Integrating Vectrix API-driven cloud access security broker with Cloudflare One provides enterprises with comprehensive zero-trust control of both data at rest and data in transit. Vectrix extends the security of Cloudflare's network to the data stored in SaaS applications, giving customers a single control plane for the security of their workforce and mission-critical resources. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.